Ever wondered how companies actually, make real money from artificial intelligence?
Yeah.
Especially when, well, actually using it can be surprisingly pricey.
Right.
Today, we're doing a deep dive into exactly that. We've got a kind of blueprint for entrepreneurs, really, looking to turn AI's potential into actual value, especially in, like, dynamic emerging markets. India is a great example we'll be using.
Definitely.
So our mission for you is to unpack the core ways AI creates value you can monetize, and then explore 3 really actionable business models.
Yeah, and it's fascinating because AI delivers this value in ways that can genuinely transform a business. First off, you've got intelligent automation.
Okay.
And this isn't just like making tasks faster. It's AI taking on whole complex roles, things that, traditionally needed human smarts.
So AI isn't just helping out, it's actually doing complex stuff, like
Gosh.
running supply chains or handling tricky finance things on its own.
Exactly. The productivity gains can be massive, really shifts the cost base.
Okay, that makes sense. But here's where I find it gets really interesting. The potential is huge, yeah, but putting AI to work, especially the generative kind, it costs more than you might think, right? I read each query can cost the provider, between 1 cent and maybe up to 36 cents?
That's right. It adds up fast. And that creates this critical monetization imperative. You simply have to figure out how to charge for it effectively.
Right, you can't just give it away.
Absolutely not. And that cost factor really drives the other value streams too. The second one is predictive insights.
Ah, okay. Seeing the future, basically.
Well, sort of. AI can wade through just enormous amounts of data, find hidden patterns, and forecast trends.
So it flips decision-making from just reacting to stuff.
To being proactive,
Yeah.
yeah. Imagine knowing which customers might leave before they actually do, or predicting exactly what a specific neighborhood market will demand.
Wow, okay. That's powerful. And the third one?
Hyper-personalization. This
Yeah.
is all about tailoring things, experiences, products, messages, right down to the individual.
Like those recommendation engines on streaming services that somehow know exactly what I want to watch next.
Precisely. That's AI making every interaction feel uniquely relevant, boosts engagement, builds loyalty. It really works.
So you have these amazing capabilities, but also this cost pressure we talked about.
Mm-hmm.
So how do companies actually price this sustainably?
Well, the evidence really points towards hybrid pricing models being the most sustainable way forward for AI ventures.
Hybrid, meaning?
Meaning you combine, say, a predictable subscription fee with some kind of usage-based charge.
Oh,
You often see something like maybe 75% predictable subscription revenue and 25% variable based on usage.
that makes sense. It aligns the cost of providing the AI service with the actual value the customer gets out of it.
Right.
Keeps things viable as you grow.
Exactly. It ensures sustainability.
Okay, so let's pivot to those 3 business blueprints you mentioned, tailored for India. These sound really concrete. What's the first one?
Right. First up, Precision Agri-Advisory as a Service. PIAS for short.
PIAS, got it.
And this is what they call a phygital model.
Digital, physical, and digital.
You got it. Blends a sophisticated digital AI platform with crucial, real-world, on-the-ground human interaction. It's aimed right at India's massive agricultural sector.
Interesting. So how does that actually work on the ground?
Well, the blueprint combines this AI-powered SaaS platform, that's the digital bit, with a network of local micro-entrepreneurs. They call them Krishi Mitras.
Krishi Mitras, farmer friends.
Exactly. The AI gives super precise advice like on managing crops, detecting pests with up to 95% accuracy, which is huge.
95%. Wow.
And it predicts crop yield with over 85% accuracy. That's genuinely game-changing for farmers often working with, less precise traditional methods.
And the farmer friends, the Krishi Mitras, what's their role?
They're the physical link. They use tools like agricultural drones for things like crop spraying. They might charge around, say, 700 rupees per acre for that service.
And I heard there are government schemes that help here, too.
Oh, yeah, big time. The venture can leverage subsidies, like the Namo Drone Didi scheme. That covers 80% of a drone's cost for women's self-help groups.
80%. That massively lowers the barrier to entry. So how does this pay-as model make money?
Multiple streams. B2B subscriptions, often sold to farmer-producer organizations, or FPOs, commissions on linking farmers to markets, and of course, that drone-as-a-service revenue from the Krishi Mitras.
That sounds like a really well-thought-out ecosystem. Tech meeting tradition, effectively.
Out.
Kate, what's blueprint number 2?
Number 2 aims to breathe new life into India's incredibly rich traditional handicraft sector. It's called a craft tech co-creation platform.
Craft tech, okay. Revitalizing handicrafts with AI. How?
So think of the AI platform as a kind of muse for the artisans. It uses generative AI things like Styligant.
Styligant. That's the AI that's amazing at creating realistic novel images, right?
Exactly. It helps generate design inspiration, maybe fusing traditional patterns with modern styles, opening up totally new aesthetic possibilities and markets.
So it's not replacing the artisan's skill, but augmenting it, giving them new tools.
Precisely. Augmenting, not replacing. Then the platform connects these artisans directly with designers and buyers globally.
Enabling co-creation.
Yeah, and it provides digital product passports.
What's that? Like a digital history for the craft?
Kind of. It's a verifiable record where it came from, who made it, the materials, builds trust and transparency, which buyers increasingly want.
That makes sense. And the revenue model here.
Pretty standard marketplace stuff, mostly commissions on sales, maybe 15–20%,
Yeah.
plus potentially premium subscriptions for advanced design tools on the platform, and maybe even licensing unique AI-assisted patterns.
Cool. Augmenting creativity, connecting markets.
Yeah.
Like it. What's the third one?
The third one is the Kirana Tech Stack. This is designed to help India's 13 million local neighborhood grocery stores, the Kiranas.
Ah, the Kiranas. Competing with the big quick commerce players.
Right.
That's tough.
It really is. So this isn't some super complex, scary software. The idea is a hyper-appropriate AI co-pilot,
Hyper-appropriate.
meaning it meets them where they are, delivered through channels they already use constantly, like WhatsApp.
Via WhatsApp.
Yeah,
That's really smart given how widespread it is in India.
totally. It needs to fit their workflow, their tech comfort zone. This AI agent helps the Kirana owner with things like managing inventory better.
Which must be a nightmare manually.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
And forecasting demand in their specific little area, automating orders, even comparing supplier prices to get the best margins.
That could save them so much time and, honestly, probably a lot of stress.
Definitely. The business model here is likely a low-cost freemium SaaS offer, basic functions free, maybe premium features for a small monthly fee, like 299 to 999 rupees.
It may be partnerships with suppliers, too.
Potentially, yeah. It's all about being scalable and super accessible.
Okay, so 3 very different but really practical examples. What's the big takeaway then for you, the innovator listening?
Well, I think we've seen that killer AI ventures don't just bubble up from the tech itself, right? They start with really understanding a specific problem deeply.
Yeah, the problem comes first, and embracing those digital models like the Krishi Mitras.
Or hyper-appropriate ones like the Kirana WhatsApp tool.
That seems crucial for building trust and actually getting people to use it.
Absolutely. And positioning AI as that muse or co-pilot, augmenting human skill, especially in areas like crafts or farming, not threatening to replace it, that's key.
And underpinning it all, you've got to get the economics right from day one. Those hybrid pricing models seem really important, aligning cost and value.
Couldn't agree more. Master the economics. Which brings up a really interesting question looking forward.
Go on.
Well, AI is moving fast towards what some call agentic AI, systems with more autonomy that can take actions themselves to reach goals without us constantly telling them what to do.
Okay, AI agents acting more independently.
Yeah. So as that happens, how do you build a venture that's resilient, that's future-proof? I think transparency, fairness, trust, these become your most valuable assets, your currency.
That's a really important point. Building trust in increasingly autonomous systems. So a final thought for everyone listening. What real-world problem, maybe one you see every single day, could be genuinely transformed? Transformed by an AI that could be a creator partner or a super accurate predictor or an intelligent automator, but delivered in a way that feels truly intuitive, truly hyper-appropriate for the people who'd use it. Something to think about.